Welcome back to On My Channel. Now stop scrolling because in the next few seconds you'll witness the most shocking crashes, the funniest driver failures, and the most satisfying moments of instant karma on the road. Don't go anywhere. This is where cars and comedy collide. Watch the most craziest parking revenge in history. This genius driver cuts a blocking car in half with a metal cutter, then fixes it so perfectly that the owner drives off with only the front part. This moment freezes hearts. A car out of control crosses the line straight into the cop's spot. Just one mistake and life almost ended in a blink. When rage takes over, this man declared war on his own vehicle. But this shocking destruction begs the question, was it worth the felony? Why use a door when you can become a human noodle? This genius driver ignores empty space to perform a comedy struggle, turning a simple park into a slapstick show. This man locked this car's mirror with a giant chain. Watch the owner's hilarious shock when he finds his vehicle chained like a bicycle in the weirdest parking prank ever. Watch at the end, woman car owner learned a crushing lesson about parking. On this road, size and money talk loudest. Wait, this moment turns from a simple climb to a nightmare. When speed meets ice, control disappears and danger races faster than the car itself. Someone please explain, did this car take the stairs or just forget gravity existed? This is not parking, this is performance art. This massive fail begs the question, when the professional makes this mistake, who exactly pays for this unexpected home renovation? What's this, heartbreak, revenge, or just morning madness? This woman turned one car into a coffee-flavored crime scene. Who says truck parking is only for men? This female driver proves expertise has no gender, maneuvering effortlessly in a crowded truck zone like a true professional. When everyone thought the tow truck had won, this woman just hit full power, speed, guts, and freedom in one move. That's not escape, that's pure legend. No anger, no drama, just a smooth correction. This tow truck handled chaos with manners. That's what real road discipline looks like. One suspicious car, one quick tow. When the law rolls in, no parking spot is safe. Forget the road rage. This is the most dangerous revenge ever filmed. Watch petrol and fire destroy a car in the dead of night, leaving everyone terrified and wondering what could drive someone to this extreme. This truck had no choice but to take its space. This is a costly lesson. When you block the path, expect the road to deliver instant karma. This is a lesson for the road. This luxury ride is great for cruising, but when you need pure torque, you must respect the power of the heavy duty. This angry car driver jumps out to confront a truck, but forgets his car handbrake, turning a road rage moment into a rolling comedy show as his car escapes backward. When the exit is blocked, this driver decided that destruction was easier than waiting. This is a shocking, violent solution to a bad parking job. This man parks right on the footpath and turns his car into a public playground. Everyone passing by gives their own special touch. This is the end of the video. Like this video right now if you enjoyed the chaos, and hit subscribe to join our community on the road and comment that what you want to see in next video. Thanks.